Yeah, so shout out to MAOZUA, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, for sending this one in for us to review. Okay, this is part of our segment, on demand review, where manufacturers and company holders can feel free to send in the product for us to review. We will do a thorough job at it. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so we're about to unbox the MAOZUA, okay, Blackhead remover, upgraded electric Blackhead Pore vacuum extractor, clean tools, machine with 5 probes, and beauty lamp care and facial skin. I'm gonna leave all the link right down below, and on screen I'll leave the specification for those of you that wanna read the specification. So without further ado, make sure to drop one of these. If it's your first time out here, do the right thing, sub to the channel, alright? Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business, people. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. So you can get these from Amazon, by the way, nice and safely. Okay, without a hassle. This is more for the high maintenance people, alright? For the missus. So yeah, this is the white version, by the way, color light Blackhead remover, okay? You will excuse my light. This is what the box looks like. Okay, portable design, convenient and practical. 5 suction level, 5 heads. Choose from the battery inside and the USB charging port and the USB, you know, cable and so on. So we're gonna see what's inside the box in a sec anyway. Beautiful, beautiful. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? We got a USB cable, normal USB cable, by the way. Okay, all white to go with the theme. I'll put it on the side for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for now. Then we have the portable vacuum itself. There you go. You know, it's already layered. Okay. In terms of build, this thing feels very, very good in the hand. Very solid. Okay, it's not cheap, but the price is also affordable, by the way. It's already layered, and you know, the price is affordable. And as I already told you, we already had the chance to test it, and for what it is and for the price that it's going for, it's definitely a go for me. Okay, I'm gonna talk about that a little bit more in a minute. So that's what we have inside the box, if I'm correct. Let me see if we got more in there. All right, more stuff in there. All right, so what else do we have here? Comes with, I'll find out about the name. Okay, on the instruction booklet. Okay, if you have used this before, you know, you can file it. If not, keep it so you know exactly what it is about, what you can do with your machine. All right, so these has 5 levels. But you know, if you can see it, because I'm kind of like, so that's 1. Let's see, so by pressing it goes to from 1 to 5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the level. Okay, but using this, you should just not put too much pressure. Noise level is pretty acceptable. That's where you're gonna plug it, by the way. Your USB cable that it comes with, and that's what you do. I'm not gonna try on my hands anymore. But this is part 1 of the unboxing of the Blackhead remover. Okay, you can hear the noise, by the way. It's pretty this is how you change the level. It goes faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this will memorize your favorite or your preferred speed. All right, it smells nice, by the way. Yeah, so what's inside the box? This is what we have inside the box. Okay, what's inside the box? This is what we have inside the box. All right, so we have the electric blackhead removal, which is this, the 5 beauty props. I only see 4 here. 10 filter sponge, which are these, that goes in here. The USB cable, which is right here, and your usual manual, which is right there. So that's what you're gonna get inside the box. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below for you to get this item. This is part 1. We're gonna be coming with part 2, where we will be, you know, applying some products with this and utilizing it fully. Other than that, it's totally a go for me. I love the build, you know, I love the build, I love the quality. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. No complication at all. Out of the box, you can start using it straight away. No big deal. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I hope this was helpful. And if so, make sure to drop one of these. And, you know, share the video if it's any useful to you. Talk among yourself about what we do out here. We love you all out here, and we love your support. All right? Keep it safe, keep it late as usual. We shall surely see you on the next one. And happy Valentine's Day to those of you that do celebrate this very day. Okay, guys, keep it safe though. Keep it safe and keep it late. Don't let anything bring you down. Okay, don't let nobody bring you down. Peace out. Let's do it. Bang, bang. Yeah.